Hi friends, welcome back to another Discovery at Home video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a flip book. So all you need for this project is about 4 note cards. You could also use post-it notes. I've used about 8. Some things to draw with, so pen or marker, some scissors, and staples. So let's get to it. Okay, so I already cut my note cards in half. Basically like this, and I just stack them all on top of one another. That way you can just easily flip through. But we want to attach this so that way I'm not holding it all the time, which I mean I could do, but it'd be nice so I could look like a little book. So I'm going to staple one of the sides just a couple times. So there's that, and then my post-it notes are already ready. They're already attached to one another, so that way I can already just flip through. So this is really easy to do. If you didn't want to staple anything, you just get some post-it notes and do it like that. Okay, so I'm going to start my flip book. So I'm going to start it from the very last page. So the first thing I'm going to draw will be on the very last page. And I'm thinking that I want to do like a flower blooming. So I'm going to start off with the stem. And I'm going to add just a little bud, like it's about to bloom, and just 2 little leaves on each side. And then going to my second page, I'm going to continue that flower. I'm going to make that bud look a little bit bigger. Make the leaves a little bit bigger so that way it looks like it's growing. And what's nice is, like, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but you can see through your pages, so that way I can kind of just draw on top of what I already made. So now I'm going to move on to the third. So now I'm going to make the stem the same, make that a little bit bigger, leaves a little bit bigger. To the 4th page. I think it's time to add some petals to my flower. So I'm just going to add little ones. Another one right there. The leaves are good now. Making them even more bigger. Okay, then my last page, I'm going to add, make it just a little bit bigger. And I'm going to add a title to my flip book. So I'm going to name it The Blooming Flower. And then of course add your name by Serena. Okay, so now that flip book is done. All right, so let's go ahead and flip through this. So start from the very last page. Amazing, so it looks like it's actually like blooming. It's really fun. And you just add little details to each one and it'll look like it's in motion. So it's basically like a stop motion film technique, like in movies like the Lego movie. They basically just made a Lego look like it was moving just by little pictures that they took each time. So to make it look like it was in motion. So it's basically just like this here. So I made one also on a post-it note. So I'm gonna flip through this, and what's nice is there's like an adhesive to the back, like a stick, so you can just kind of stick it down on your surface and then flip through it. And I just did the same thing again with the flower. Amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can do your own stop motion animations from home. To check out more fun videos like this, go to kansasdiscovery.org/home. I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evergy.
Thank you to Evergy for making Discovery at Home possible.